You could own a hardware wallet, the gold standard of crypto security, and still lose everything, not because the device was hacked, because of 3 mistakes that happened before the device is even switched on. This video shows you how a hardware wallet actually works, how to set one up correctly, and the specific errors that turn good hardware into a security liability. Welcome to the Rational Crypto, where we cut through the hype and focus on what actually works. Long-term thinking, disciplined investing, and data-driven decisions. No gambling, no leverage, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just rational strategies for building real cryptocurrency wealth. Let's dive in. A hardware wallet is the most secure way to hold crypto that most individual investors can practically use. But there is a gap between owning a hardware wallet and using one securely. Most guides focus on the first part. This video covers both. Here is what we will cover: how a hardware wallet actually works. Not what it looks like, but what is happening at the technical level. The correct setup sequence, step by step. The 3 critical mistakes that compromise hardware wallet security before or after setup. And the seed phrase protocol that most guides underestimate. Let's start with how the device actually works. Your crypto is not inside the hardware wallet. As covered in the previous video, your crypto exists on the blockchain. What the hardware wallet stores is the private key, the cryptographic proof of ownership that authorizes any movement of that crypto. When you want to send Bitcoin, the transaction is created on your computer or phone. It is sent to the hardware wallet for signing. The hardware wallet signs the transaction internally using the private key and sends back the signed transaction. The private key never leaves the device, never touches your computer, never touches the internet. This is the key security property. Even if your computer is completely compromised, malware, keylogger, remote access, the private key is not on your computer to be stolen. The hardware wallet is an air-gapped signing device. The leading hardware wallet manufacturers are Ledger and Trezor. Both have strong security track records, both have had incidents, and both have been transparent about them. They are a significant upgrade from leaving holdings on an exchange or in a software wallet. Quick pause. If you are taking your crypto security seriously, the way rational long-term investors do, subscribe and hit the bell. We cover every layer of the framework, from psychology to security to strategy. Now, the 3 mistakes. The setup sequence matters. Errors here cannot be undone, only recovered from, sometimes at the cost of access to your funds. Step 1. Buy direct from the manufacturer. Never buy a hardware wallet from a third-party seller on Amazon, eBay, or a marketplace you do not control. A compromised device can come preloaded with malicious firmware or a pre-generated seed phrase. Buy from ledger.com or trezor.io directly. When the device arrives, check the packaging for signs of tampering. Legitimate devices do not come with a seed phrase already written on a card. If they do, the device has been compromised. Step 2. Initialize the device with fresh firmware. When you first switch on a legitimate hardware wallet, it will generate a new seed phrase. This happens on the device itself, not on your computer. Follow the manufacturer's setup guide exactly. Do not skip steps. Step 3. Record your seed phrase. The device will display your seed phrase. 12 or 24 words. One at a time. Write each word on paper, in order, in legible handwriting. Check each word carefully before moving to the next. The device will ask you to confirm the words in sequence. This is the verification step. Do not rush it. Your seed phrase is now the only backup to the wallet. If the device is lost, stolen, or damaged, and you have the seed phrase, you can recover everything. If the device is damaged and you have lost the seed phrase, the crypto is inaccessible permanently. Step 4. Test with a small amount before transferring significant holdings. Send a small, non-critical amount to the hardware wallet first. Verify the transaction. Then practice the recovery process. Reset the device and restore using the seed phrase. If recovery works, you have verified the seed phrase is correct before the stakes are high. This step takes 20 minutes. It is not optional. Mistake 1. Storing the seed phrase digitally. Photographs of the seed phrase, screenshots, cloud storage, email. Any digital record of your seed phrase is a security vulnerability. Anything that touches the internet can be accessed remotely. The seed phrase must exist only in physical form, in a location only you know, in a condition that is protected from physical damage. Some investors use fireproof, waterproof metal storage for seed phrase backup. For significant holdings, this is worth the cost. Mistake 2. Keeping only one copy of the seed phrase. A single piece of paper stored in one location can be lost in a house fire. 2 copies in 2 physically separate, secure locations is the rational minimum. Treat it like the master key it is. Mistake 3. Entering the seed phrase anywhere except the hardware wallet itself. Any website, app, or service that asks for your seed phrase is attempting to steal your crypto. There is no legitimate reason for any third party to need your seed phrase. The hardware wallet manufacturer will never ask for it. Your seed phrase is entered only on the device, during initial setup or recovery. Every other context is a scam. This is the strategy to use, summarized as a protocol: buy direct from the manufacturer's official website only. Verify on arrival. Packaging intact, no pre-written seed phrase included. Setup on the device. Follow the manufacturer guide. Do not skip steps. Record the seed phrase on paper. 2 copies, 2 locations. Metal backup for significant holdings. Test before committing. Small amount first. Practice recovery. Verify the seed phrase works. Never enter the seed phrase digitally. Never share it. Never enter it anywhere except the device itself. The key principle: the hardware wallet is only as secure as the seed phrase backup strategy behind it. The device is the tool. The seed phrase is the vault. If this gave you a clear, practical framework for hardware wallet security, hit like. This kind of information reaches more people when viewers engage with it. 3 things to remember. The hardware wallet keeps your private key offline. Even a compromised computer cannot access what never touches it. The setup sequence has no shortcuts. Buy direct, initialize correctly, verify the seed phrase works before the stakes are high. The seed phrase is the wallet. Physical storage only. 2 locations. Never digital, never shared. Your homework: if you already have a hardware wallet, review your seed phrase storage against these standards today. If you do not have one yet, identify which device you will buy and from where. Securing your holdings is the foundation. The framework this channel is building toward goes further, using the right storage structure in combination with a cycle-aware investment strategy. There's so much more to explore on this channel to help you build crypto wealth rationally. Hit that next video and keep the momentum going. Your future self will thank you. If this added value to your crypto strategy, hit that like button. It helps more people find rational crypto education. Subscribe for regular deep dives on DCA, psychology, and cycle-aware investing. Drop your biggest crypto question in the comments below. Until next time, stay rational.